To create a counter app inside main.dart, I'm just importing the material.dart, and then in the main function I'm just running the my app widget, which is a stateful widget, and in here I create the variable called counter, which is containing the value of 0, and then I created the function called increment, and inside it we are using set state because we need to change the state of our widget, and inside this state we are using this variable which is our counter, and then we are just saying plus and plus. Why? Because we need to plus this 0 with 1. That's why. And in the return type we are just calling the material app and scaffold, then center, and then elevated button, and inside the elevated button we have on press, then in on press we are just calling the increment function, which is this one, and then in the child of elevated button we are using the text widget, and then we are just calling that counter variable by dollar and the name of our variable. So if I click on it, here you can see the text going to be increased. This is how you can simply create your counter app in less than 2 minutes.